Hello everybody, welcome to Chloethedev Unfiltered, and today is not the day after I did my first video, but that's okay, I skipped a day, and it seems like it was worth it. So there have been 96 store deployer tokens given out. So there have been 82 stores deployed. You can see on the right hand side they've added some stats. There have been 169 things, so Mintbase calls their NFTs that have been minted things. That has led to 714 different tokens. So there's 169 unique NFT things, but some of those tokens can be duplicates. So you can see there's been quite a few duplicates. 104 minters. So there's some stores that can have multiple minters. I would assume that's the reason for that. And there have been 354 NFTs listed on the NFT marketplace. So at the top here you can see, so we're gonna pop, so you can see it down here, they've kind of added, they've changed the ratios of the images. I think that happened last time as well. And it looks a lot slicker in my opinion with everything coming up. So we're gonna buy some art today. We're probably gonna put mint something as well. Last video I didn't mint anything, and we'll put it up for sale on the marketplace. So let's go to our dashboard, and you can see I have my 3 stores. So what I did do last video was I made a store. So all I did in my last video, video number 1, was I made a store called Chloe's Things, and I didn't actually mint anything specific or particular. So I am going to go to the Marma J store, and we're gonna see if maybe we can mint a piece that we've been purposefully meaning to mint on Testnet. So I haven't minted it yet. I've been kind of waiting for a good time to go through the full flow, but maybe that'll be today. Let's try it. It's raining a lot right now, so I'm sorry if my audio gets a bit buggy with the rain, but this is what we got. It's gonna come down pretty hard, watch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Mint in the top right hand corner, and we're gonna upload the image first. So I'm getting a pop-up right now that's letting me go through the images on my computer. So let me see. Oh, okay. I like this one. So now it's working, uploading your file. So what's happening now is we are uploading the file from our computer onto the servers of Mintbase, and we are going to see this image come up, and we're going to put in some data as well for the NFT. So we got to wait a little while. I have really slow internet over here. I'm sorry, I said this in the past, but my internet speed is like about maximum 10 megabytes a second. So usually I'm closer to around 3 or 4 megabytes a second. So it takes a little bit of a while to, and that's download speed, not upload speed. So it's gonna take a little while to upload the file. But once it's uploaded, it's funny, the blockchain confirmation is actually much quicker than it takes for me to upload something to the just over the internet. So I have a few extra store deployer tokens as well that I got given. So the goal is to start finding people that want to get onto Testnet and sending them those tokens. But let's see, hopefully this will be done soon. I'm sorry for my super slow internet. But you, hopefully wherever you are, this will be a lot quicker. I should have probably had this loaded before I started the video. But that's all right. This is why I do this as Chloethedev Unfiltered, because part of all of this is showing you what you might actually experience. Like, hopefully this is just a me issue, taking a long time with my Wi-Fi, but you know, if someone watching this video is also having not the fastest Wi-Fi connection, then they might experience something similar. Oh, I'm also uploading a video right now on my phone. Let me pause that. Maybe that's why it's taking so long. Let's see. This is hilarious though. It's 52% uploaded. It's gonna take 2 more hours. Can I pause this upload? No? Doesn't want to let me pause the upload? Okay, let's see. Let me see if I can go to YouTube on another tab. Sorry about that. people who might be watching. And the reason I don't edit these is because they used to be live streams, and so the whole point is that if I was live right now, I wouldn't be able to edit this back and change anything. This is how it would actually come to be. I would have an issue uploading. Uploading a video for me takes a few hours at the moment. And so this is reasonable for how long it would take. Okay, let's see if it showed up yet though. Oh my gosh, no, my internet's going way too slow. Oh, there it is. So we're just gonna keep going. I'm not gonna pause uploading that video because it's halfway done and it's been 2 hours already. So, for the name of the piece, we're gonna say like happy giraffes. Hopefully I spelled giraffes correctly. This art piece was painted by a student at the Friends of the Care. Let's call it the Friends of the Care Project. A student at the Friends of the Care Project Development Center. Because they call themselves like the Friends Development Center, and they call themselves the Friends of the Care Project. So in this test NFT for now, I'll just call them the Friends of the Care Project Development Center, and maybe I'll even put a little slash there so people can know both names. An image was then taken of the artwork and digitally created by Bianca Vella. Okay, so Bianca Vella is my partner. So what I did was the students painted these pictures. I took a picture of them on my phone, sent them to Bianca back in Canada. Bianca took those images, digitally drew them, did it all on her iPad. And now we have this piece. Proceeds from the sale of this let's call it an NFT. Proceeds from the sale of this NFT will go towards supporting future Marma J efforts. We're gonna keep it very basic, very simple. For the tags, to make sure we can find stuff later, we are gonna put Marma J Gallery. Oops, not that. We are going to put Bianca Vella, enter to input the tags, and we are going to put Friends of the Care Project. That's how I've been labeling them so far. The near account I have for them is ftotcp.near. So we're gonna put that in there. For the category, there's photography, fashion, membership, VR. We're gonna keep it as, I'm actually take a quick little screenshot, but we're gonna keep it as art. How many we're gonna mint? We are gonna mint, it's allowing us to mint more. Okay, 20 is the max. Let's mint 20. It used to be 5 a couple of days ago when I did this video, so we're gonna keep it at that for now, because actually, you know what, I'm gonna try something. So when I add the split of 50% to the Testnet, okay, now if I go to location and I say Marma J Foundation, right here it comes up. If I go back to the splits, they're not added. So that is still something that happens. So if this token, I want people to know that it was at the Friends of the Care. This might not come up. Friends of the Care project. Halberton Hospital should come up though. Let's see. This might not be how you spell it. Anyways, let's just do where we have the location, Antigua, Barbuda, St. George, mint this many. For our split fees, let's add them now. So let's add marmaj.testnet. Let's add Friends of the Care project.testnet. And let's add Bianca.testnet. Now Bianca has said that she doesn't really want any money from this. She wants to donate her funds back to the foundation. But I think it's really cool to have the funds go to Bianca anyways on chain, so it's verifiable. And then if Bianca wants to take her funds and donate back to the Marma J, donate to Friends of the Care Project, donate to other artists in the community, she should definitely do that. So the only issue is that for your forever royalties, whatever account put the store up for now, or maybe this is in the code, has to be part of the royalties. I don't think, for example, if this goes to 99, I don't think, yeah, see, you can't have Chloe be anything less than that. But what I can do is put Chloe at 1% royalties. When I do my mainnet store, the mainnet store will be launched off of marmaj.near, so that this amount will always be a certain value. So it'll probably be 19%. So for example, here, it'll be 19% for the Marma J Foundation. The artist percent will be, for charity NFTs, will be 21. And the rest will go to the actual charity. So 59 for now. So this will be the split, 19% for the Marma J Foundation, 21% for the artist, and then 60%, 59 plus 1 will go towards the charitable project that we're raising money for. So that seems pretty reasonable to me. Normally we will mint probably around 20 pieces or less. The idea is to mint them all for 1 year each and do them once a week. So I hit mint me. So what's happening now is it's taking all of the information from this page, popping it over to the Near wallet. As I said, I'm sorry, my internet's going super slow at the moment because I'm uploading. Oh, error while minting. Let's see. It's saying error while minting before I'm even getting to the wallet. So let's see if this works though. Because yeah, this all seems correct. Chloe.testnet. This is the meta ID. I want to mint 20. This is the royalty amount, and it's out of 1,000, and it's split into these numbers. So I'm gonna hit allow. We're gonna see what happens, and then we're gonna jump back in if there's an issue and debug it, hopefully. And if there is no issue, we're gonna go list it for sale. Oh, it says successful. So it'll say time to mint again, but it should show the image here in the top left-hand corner soon once it connects back to the wallet. My internet, again, is very, very slow here, but it should show up right here once it works. So happy giraffes, you can see the data that there's 20 of them. I want to see if it'll just show up here. It might not show up yet because of Arweave. There you go. So here is the piece, happy giraffes. There is 20 of them. What we're gonna do is, this was not working for me earlier, so I'm gonna try and send one to roganx.testnet. Okay, so now it's a green check mark, transfer. So I'm gonna see if this works. I don't think you can search for people's inventories yet. Their collections, like based on their ID. So I can't just go, Mintbase /collection/roganx.testnet, which would be cool. But let's see how this goes. This should work, and then I'll be able to ask Rogan later, did you get it? And maybe Rogan can send me some of his pieces. And it says successful. Awesome. And now I should have 19 left. We shall see. So again, what's happening right now is it's taking some time for the wallet to connect. That's my internet speeds being an issue. Now that my wallet's connected, it knows, okay, let's pull your data because we know your wallet now. So that's my storage, 0.025 in the top right hand corner, and 415.51 is my near amount. So yes, I've sent one away. Now I have 19 happy giraffes. So we're gonna put some happy giraffes up for sale. I have 19 available. I don't have to put all of them up for sale, I don't think. Let's see. I do have to put all of them up for sale for now. But this is actually what I'm gonna be doing. So we're going to mint, let's say 20 of these pieces. We are going to put them up for sale for one near. That's always been the goal, one near. When I was making pieces on Ethereum and Ethereum was $50 and $100, my goal was to do them for one Ethereum and only mint one piece. We decided that we would rather have the NFTs in as many hands as possible. And with a split fee, split royalty function, I think 20 for now is reasonable. We could always mint. So there is no digital scarcity here so far, no promised digital scarcity. The idea is that you have this piece in your wallet for one near, you support the Marma J Foundation, and if you trade them, sell them on the marketplace, there will be split royalties always given back to the foundation. Now, there is no plan on minting more than 20 a week in the near future. But there's no white paper that stipulates we will never ever mint these pieces ever again. So I just want to I want to be clear about that. I don't feel going back and going, oh, but you said there'd only be 19. No, this is for fun. I want people to enjoy. So this also is being hard coded in. So now they're both hard coded in, which is good to know. And we are going to add some split revenues. So now, one of my goals is to not have a high split royalty for the artist, but on the actual split revenue, again, Bianca said she wants to donate this one for what she does, but the idea would be on the split revenue, a large portion of the funds would go to the artist. So because we already have a certain amount of funds going to all these charitable organizations, on this specific sale, on these first sales, I want a large percent going to Bianca. So let's just call it 99. And it will probably be 1% or 19% or some amount going to the Marma J Testnet. Again, when I do this on mainnet, the store will be deployed off of marmaj.testnet. So this up here will be marmaj.testnet, which we need to get at least 1%. And the artist or artists, if there's multiple of them, will get the rest of the 84% split that goes into split revenue. The 10% split fees will always be generated to Marma J Foundation, Friends of the Care Project, Bianca, and others if there are there. But again, for the actual market listing, I want to make sure the artists are getting paid right away, not only on residuals. So we're going to hit list. I'm too long-winded, I know, I'm sorry, I talk way too much. That's why it's good to have a camera in front of me so I can just go at it. Boom, boom, boom. So the cost to list is going to be 0.1 near. You can look up the information. We're listing token IDs 3 to 21. So these are token IDs of my smart contract, not specifically of this specific NFT, for example, but the smart contract can pick that up and go, okay, these tokens have the same metadata, as I assume is how they would do it. Auto transfer true. So if someone purchases so this is my asking price. I would assume that means that if someone hits this asking price, then it automatically transfers it back to them. And then for the split owners, there's going to be, instead of 1,000 like we saw before, 100 for Chloethedev, which is 1%, and 9,990 for Bianca.testnet. So you can go back, you can hit allow. I mean, I'm hitting allow. There's no ledger, so I know a lot of my videos I'm using ledger to verify things. There's no ledger for my testnet accounts, at least not this one. So once Near is done doing its redirect, so from minting to the, oh no, there's an error. let's try it again. So now we're going to do it a bit quicker because we already know the issue. And maybe it says everything is listed. So before I say that, so I think there was an error. Okay, let's try this again. One near, we are going to do a split of Bianca.testnet. I am going to split it to 99%, and I'm going to add this. Oops, I did not mean to add this split. So let's see if this works. One more redirect, and we'll try it again. I'm actually about to pull up my wallet. I should have just pulled it up by going to Testnet. But if you click your face, it'll come to your page where you can see all your stores and your pieces and what's going on. So I'm gonna click this. It's showing my accounts. I should click. You click your actual name. It'll go to your Testnet Explorer. And let's try and see what happened to that transaction that failed. Let's try it again. So list tokens failed, and I don't know if it's going to show a reason why not, but yep, nothing's transferred. It's failing. So contract address is showing up as null. Insufficient deposit. So here it's panicking down here. So panic at insufficient deposit. It needs more funds to go into the call, I think because I'm listing 19 at a time and it's not asking for enough storage. So I'm actually gonna log this bug, but now we know. So basically what happened, from what I assume, is because I can't list one at a time or a few at a time, it wants to ask for storage to do that. And so what I think is happening is I'm paying 0.1 to list, but it wants 1.5 near, I think, is what I assume. But yeah, so that's going to be it for the video today. We'll pick up tomorrow, and tomorrow what I'll try and do is I'll try and get 19 pieces listed at in the same call. But that's all. Thank you so much. And yeah, see you maybe tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow. Thanks for following along. Bye.